Hello, Iroquois Elementary. My name is Mrs. Mannarelli, and I will be the new Read 180 teacher. I am coming from middle school, and I have taught Math 180 and Read 180, so I'm excited to teach 3rd through 6th grade this year. A little bit about me. I have a husband and 2 dogs. Outside of school, I enjoy baking and cooking. Also, I enjoy crafting, and I spend a lot of time kayaking in the summer and spending the time outdoors with my puppies. I'm excited to meet you and your families this year, and I hear absolutely wonderful things. What will our classroom look like this year? Our classroom is going to look a little bit different due to COVID. Read 180 and System 44 work as a whole group lesson, and then we work through 3 different rotations. Those rotations include a computer center where we work independently on the computer, also a small group center where we work in small groups on individualized lessons, and independent reading. Independent reading, we are not going to use library books, paperbacks. We will use the books that we can access online, so that way we always have our books with us. A few other things that you'll need for class. If you are in 3rd grade, you will be working through the System 44 workbook. This will be provided by me, as well as if you are in 4th, 5th, or 6th grade, you'll use your real book. The other material that you will need for class this year is a folder. Your folder will house all of your items, your worksheets, your graphic organizers, and your reading logs. We will go through all this the first few weeks of school so that we are successful. What are the rules and expectations for Read 180 and System 44? Well, first, let's talk about when are we going to have class? Well, 5th grade will have Read 180 from 9 to 10:30, 6th grade from 10:35 and 12:05. 5th and 6th grade, we have very small transition times. I'm going to count on you to help me clean up the room and get ready for our next class. 3rd grade will have class from 12:15 to 12:45. And 4th grade will have class from 1:20 to 2:50. Also, what are my expectations for class? What are our class rules? I like to have 3 simple rules. That way we are all successful, because in Read 180, we are a team. And if we are not being a team player, then we cannot be successful as a team. Rule number 1 is to come to class prepared. Please make sure you have your materials in a positive attitude. Materials include your Chromebook, your workbook, and your folder. Also, please be kind to yourself and others. Reading is hard. We need to make sure that we use our positive mindset, and even though we have hard challenges, we can work together to become better readers. Make sure we're being kind to our classmates as well, because we want to treat others how we want to be treated ourselves. And number 3, do your best. We are going to work hard to set really big goals and to reach those goals this year. Well, this is open house, so let's go through a classroom tour. Our classroom's going to look a little bit different this year due to COVID. So when we walk in, we have our calendar. Any important dates will be on that calendar. The whiteboard will have the agenda for each day, so we know exactly what we're going to do when we come to class. If you notice, all of our desks are spaced out 6 feet apart. Unfortunately, we will not be moving around the classroom this year. And we also have a sink in our room, so if we need to, we can wash our hands, and we can also use hand sanitizer to make sure that we are keeping our germs to ourselves and that we are keeping clean and healthy, so that we can make it to school each day. Thanks for joining our virtual open house. I cannot wait to meet every single one of you and to work really hard this year and to make some excellent reading progress. Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I can do to help, and I cannot wait to meet you next week.